All right, in this problem, we're going to find the sum of the first 50 terms of the arithmetic sequence f of n equals -3 times n minus 1 plus 22. So we just learned the formula for the summation of an arithmetic series. So we're going to write that down again. And that is S sub n. Okay, so the sum of n terms is going to be n, the number of terms, times f of 1, the first term, plus f of n, the last term, all divided by 2. All right, so in this problem, we have to identify f of 1 and f of n. N was given to us. All right, n is definitely given to us right here, 50 terms. All right, so in this problem, n is 50. So now we just need to know what is f of 1 and what is f of 50. And once we figure that out, it is simply plugging them every number in and following order of operations to simplify the expression. All right, so in this problem, what is f of 1? There are two ways to figure this out. Okay, the first way is you recognize that this is an explicit form where this is your f of 1 right here. So f of 1 is just 22. All right, the other way to figure it out is you plug 1 in. All right, and so if I plugged 1 in, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times -3 is 0, and 0 plus 22 is 22. So in this problem, f of 1 is 22. All right, so again, if it's in this form, f of 1 is given to you. If it's been simplified, right, if this problem was simplified into -3n plus 25, then you would probably have wanted to plug 1 in to get the answer. Okay? F of 50, okay, so again, I need to plug 50 in. All right, so what is f of 50? It's going to be -3 times 49 plus 22. Okay, I could have also have used the one in red right here. All right, and so I'm going to get negative 147 plus 22. So f of 150 is going to equal negative 125. All right, so we now know the first term, we know the 50th term, and so now we can plug everything in, okay, and find S sub 50, okay, the sum of the first 50 terms. All right, so we plug everything in. N is 50. F of 1 is 22. F of n is negative 125. So I could write plus negative 125, or I could just write minus 125. And all that is divided by 2. All right, and so again, so the sum will be, we do a quick little subtraction following order of operations. 50 times, so 22 minus 125 is negative 103. All divided by 2. So here, if I do a quick little cancel, that's 25. And now I just need to multiply 25 times negative 103, right? And so if it was 25 times 100, it would just be 2,500, then plus another 3 25s. So we go with 2575. Or you can just use your calculator, right? You type in your calculator, what's 25 times negative 103? And I'll give you that. So the sum of the first 50 terms is negative 2,575. All right, and hopefully the negative part makes sense because our common difference is decreasing, so the numbers are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, so we're adding up a bunch of negative numbers.